Hello, YouTube family. Hope you've been well. It's your favorite graphic designer back again, Jerome here, with an exciting new video tutorial in Photoshop. Today, I have a design I want to share, which is a banner for a web page. Because I've been receiving a lot of requests asking how to design an authentic pop-out banner for my website, especially for those websites with business profile. Well, they have been exploring various AI tools. They have not been successful enough to achieve their targets, as they have been asking me to show them how to create an authentic pop-out banner. So today I'm going to take you through step-by-step process of creating such a ad for your website and for your advertisement, from top till to the last design, specifically tailored to attract those audience that you want to sell. And this will boost your views and also give you likes, and maybe eventually get lucky and close that sale. With that said, let's start. Now we are diving into a fantastic feature in Photoshop. For my various tutorials you've learned about the tools in Photoshop, so let's today delve into the rectangle tool. This is a fantastic feature in Photoshop that enhances how you manage the corner radial of your shapes. If you want a sharp radial on your shape or a smooth radial on your shape, this tool is what we use. This is particularly beneficial for web designers and professional graphic designer who frequently utilize the rectangle shape tool. So let's create a rectangle. We have a rectangle. We choose a specific color for a brand. In the earlier versions of Photoshop, adjusting corner radials like these ones has been more like a trial and error. You could not achieve that specific shape you wanted. You could not achieve a specific shape because everything was in uniformity. Even if you hold shift, everything goes in an uniform way. But now we want to do what? To design. That is our purpose as graphic designer, creating creative designs. Fortunately, this issue has been addressed in this video tutorial, so let's get started. So once you have your rectangle here, come to your window and make sure your properties are selected. Windows, properties, mine was selected, and you'll have this pop-out here. This is what we use to do what? To smoothen our edges. This panel will present you with various options for your shapes, including the corner radius settings. At the bottom of the property panel here, this is the bottom of the property panel, you'll find the controls you need to adjust your corners radial. You can easily drag one of the corner icons to modify all corners simultaneously. So this will do what? Will enhance your corner edges. That is one corner edges. If you want both of them to be simultaneously refined, that is how you do it. But in a particular case, we want to make a design which is unique for our brand. So I'll unselect that and come to this corner edge and smoothen it. Once that is done, I'll drag it to the corner here and expand it. Sorry, just expand it like that. And there we have achieved what we wanted. Once you are satisfied with your adjustment, feel free to scale your shape. Scale your shape and notice how the corners retain their integrity without becoming distorted like before. So there is where we want to place our shape. For added functionality, you can create duplicate shapes. You can Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We have duplicated. Now we have two shapes. And once you have selected the shapes, you can also adjust the shapes. Change the color, come to fill, change it to another color, which is preferably to your outlining of the brand. So that is what we meant. Also, you can do this. You can copy paste, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Change the color. Bring it backward. And create a new design like that. So for my design, I'll show you what I did. This is what I have achieved on my design. This is an ad of where we sell phones. If you need a phone, feel free to contact us under a budget where everyone can get a specific phone regardless of the amount you have. So we have an app, download the app and we deliver it to your place. If you enjoyed this Photoshop tutorial again, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe please. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, give your thoughts in the comment section. Feel free to share with your friends too. Always subscribe, more video tutorials are coming. Thank you.